In the intricate web of the global economy, silver stands as a silent powerhouse. While often overshadowed by commodities like semiconductors and oil, silver is indispensable in driving green technology, electronics, and automotive advancements. Its unmatched conductivity makes it a staple in circuit boards and semiconductors, while its role in photovoltaic panels is crucial for solar energy. As the world pivots towards sustainable solutions, silver's significance is only set to grow. Yet the burgeoning demand for this versatile metal is outpacing supply, hinting at potential bottlenecks that could ripple through various industries. The journey of silver from mine to market is a complex, globe-spanning process. Unlike straightforward extraction, silver is primarily mined as a byproduct of copper, lead, and zinc. This means any slowdown in these base metals can directly impact silver production. Major producers like Mexico, China, and Peru dominate the landscape, with Latin America contributing nearly half of the global output. Once extracted, silver undergoes refining and smelting before being transported via secure sea and air routes. It eventually finds its way into diverse applications, from smartphones to solar panels, underscoring its global economic footprint. Silver's demand is surging, driven by its critical role in several high-growth sectors. In 2023, electronics alone accounted for 445 million ounces, thanks to silver's essential function in 5G components and semiconductors. The solar industry, another major consumer, used over 190 million ounces, with projections suggesting it could represent 20% of global demand by 2030. Electric vehicles, which require twice as much silver as traditional cars, further amplify this demand. Despite a dip in investment demand, the overall appetite for silver remains robust. However, with mine production stagnating, the supply-demand imbalance is becoming increasingly pronounced. The silver market is grappling with a significant supply deficit. In 2022, mine output was approximately 822 million ounces, while demand soared to a record 1.24 billion ounces, leaving a shortfall of 237.7 million ounces, the largest in history. Several factors contribute to this gap: aging mines, declining ore grades, and political instability in key mining regions like Peru and Mexico. Labor strikes, such as the one at Newmont's Peñasquito mine, further exacerbate the situation. Although recycling efforts contributed over 180 million ounces in 2022, they still account for less than 20% of the total supply, highlighting the pressing need for sustainable solutions. Looking ahead, the silver supply chain faces both challenges and opportunities. Geopolitical risks loom large, with countries like Mexico and Peru tightening regulations and community opposition stalling new mining projects. The reliance on byproduct mining ties silver's fate to the health of the base metal markets. On the sustainability front, urban mining and recycling, particularly from electronics and solar panels, are expected to gain traction. Ethical sourcing is becoming paramount, with initiatives like the London Bullion Market Association's Responsible Silver Program leading the charge. Technological advancements, including blockchain and the Internet of Things, promise enhanced transparency and efficiency, catering to the growing demand for traceability. For those in the freight and logistics sectors, the evolving silver supply chain presents both challenges and opportunities. The heavy concentration of production in regions like Latin America and China necessitates robust transport security and regulatory compliance. As demand shifts eastward, driven by the rise of electric vehicles and solar energy, logistics networks must adapt accordingly. Traceability and environmental, social, and governance reporting are no longer optional but essential for buyers. Any disruptions, from labor strikes to new tariffs, can have swift repercussions across electronics, automotive, and investment markets. For logistics professionals, understanding silver's pivotal role is crucial in navigating this dynamic landscape.